All right, guys, new video. What do you got?
Alright guys, so a client brought us a Ram 2500, and as you can see over here, we're gonna Raptor this toolbox.
Because as you can tell, it's being eaten up. It's really faded. As you can tell over here, it's really shiny and it's real faded. So we're gonna Raptor it black. But this truck is just not black. It's a blue pearl. It's a black with blue pearl. So as you can tell over here where the sun hits it, and that's how these trucks came out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to match it up with the truck as much as we can. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the toolbox and sand it down. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so the toolbox is ready to be taken off, but right now it's a perfect time to talk about the bed liner. And the bed liner, it's a good product to protect the truck, but it's not good to paint the truck. As you can tell, it gets really dull and dirty, and it's not good to paint the truck. Raptor, on the other hand, Raptor stays clean, shiny, and it just makes the truck look nice. So for the exterior, I prefer you use Raptor. Always Raptor. Bed liner, just keep it in the bed. Bed line would always look dull and just nasty, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna get ready to sand this thing, but before we do that, I just wanna give you a quick look again. As you can tell over here, the sun really baked this paint up. As you can tell over here, it's shiny and it's just real baked, and over here too, real shiny, and it's just all dull and lost its color already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand it down real quick. It's not that hard, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're done sanding the toolbox. All we need to do now is just tape up the handles. And as you can tell over here, the paint, you can see how much blue pearl it has. So you can tell, but we're pretty much done just sanding it down. All we're gonna do is just like I said, we're gonna tape up the hinges and then we're gonna get straight to wrapping it. Alright guys, so all we're gonna do now is just clean it with some paint thinner and add some adhesive promoter onto it. Right?
Alright guys, now that we let it dry, I'm gonna add some adhesive promoter.
Alright guys, so we're ready to spray on the Raptor, but before we do that, we're going to lower down the PSI to 50. So when we lower down the PSI to 50, you're going to be able to see how it's a lot thicker, and you'll be able to see the blue pearl. If you go more up, you won't. It'll come up more fine, but you won't be able to see the blue pearl. So you want to do that, lower down to 50, and you'll see the blue pearl come out because it's going to be a lot thicker. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so that was the first coat. We're just going to let it sit there for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to come back and spray it again with the second coat. We're going to lower it down to 50 PSI this time, so it'll be a lot thicker, and you can see the blue pearl really pop out. Alright guys, so we let it sit there for about 40 minutes, where we came back to do the second coat. What we did now is we lowered the PSI down to 50, and you're going to see that we're going to go a lot slower now, and you're going to see that it's going to come out a lot thicker, so the blue pearl will pop out more. Alright guys, let's get to it. guys, so we're done with the second coat. And as you can tell, it looks way more thicker than what it was. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna let it sit overnight. Tomorrow in the morning, we're gonna look at it in the sunlight, compare it to the truck, and it should definitely look exactly the same as the truck.
All right, looks like you guys are done.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the toolbox, and the customer was very happy, but unfortunately there's not a lot of sun out and it's drizzling at the same time. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you an example with the vehicle, the blue pearl, and on the texture you can see all the blue pearl all the way around.
Yeah, you could definitely see it. If you get closer, you see the pearl on the vehicle, and then right there on the texture, you could definitely see the pearl. It looks glossy, and you could see the you can
It look, yeah.
just with more sunlight. I mean,
You can really tell a difference between how the customer first brought it. The toolbox was just completely black. It didn't have any glossy look to it. It was just black, didn't match the truck. But now you can tell, you can see the blue pearl with the truck. So, and right now, like we said, there's not a lot of sunlight right now. So later on, we're gonna ask the customer if he can bring the vehicle back, and we're gonna show you a lot more with the sunlight, how it actually matches the truck.
yeah, maybe you could offer him a free car wash or something, and he'll bring it when there's sunlight. Because
Yeah, of course.
if you get close, you can definitely see the pearl.
And I'm going to show you an example, guys. Here on the bed liner, you see how it's all dull, and then on the Raptor, it's all glossy. So you don't want to spray bed liner because you want to make your vehicle more like stand out. That's what I'm trying
Make
to
it
say.
look shiny, not look all dull and nasty. So what we recommend is Raptor. Just always Raptor. Don't use bed liner because it just looks dull and nasty. Alright, guys? So just take a look at the toolbox, look at the truck around.
The truck definitely matches a lot better like this. Good job, guys.
Like we said, the customer was very happy with it.
Good job. And overall, it's just a nice truck. I mean,
Alright, guys. Well, that's the end of this video, and it just really came out nice. We'll try to do a lot more videos when customers bring out their vehicles, anything they want us to wrap there, and we'll show you. We'll upload it for y'all so y'all can enjoy and watch the video.
And if you guys have any questions or anything, just email us. We have the email right here, and just that's it. So
Just like and subscribe,
like and subscribe.
and enjoy.